Okay, everyone. So today we're discussing how to get from circumference to area. Now, to area, yeah. So guys, we don't have a formula to get us straight from circumference to area. And the reason why we're doing that is because, let's read the question. It says, a friend gave you 120 feet of fencing. And remember, fencing is along the outside. So 120 is the circumference. And it says you decide to fence in a portion of the the backyard for your dog. You want to maximize the amount of fenced land. Whenever they say something like that, the maximizing a shape would always be a circle, okay? So we're trying to find the area of a circle. Now, we don't have a formula that gets us straight there. We only have a formula that gets us to radius, circumference and radius. So we're going to put in 120 for circumference, and we're going to put in 3.14 for pi. Okay, so now it depends on what your teacher told you to do at this step. There's different things you can do, but what I'm going to do is multiply 2 times 3.14. Since they're on the same side of the equal sign, we're going to have 6.28. R equals 120. Okay, now if you guys need it, you can draw that line down the middle. I know some people really like that, so I'm going to keep doing that. Now, everyone, now we're going to, what's the inverse operation? How do I get rid of this 6.28? I'm going to divide both sides by 6.28. And I get R equals, now 120 divided by 6.28 is 19.1082803. Now, if your teacher told you can round here, that's totally fine. But in mathematics, we don't really want to round to the last step. So we're not done yet, because remember, the whole goal was to find area, not radius. So I'm going to have area equals pi times r squared. So remember, pi is 3.14, and r was 19.108. Now, I know we round at the end, but we don't really want to round until the end. 3 squared. So if you guys can put all that in your calculator, if you guys are okay with that, that will give you the most precise answer possible. So we're going to go ahead and square this, and we're going to multiply it by 3.14. And we're going to get 1,146. Now at the end, we normally do want to round. Since it says 4968, we're going to round it to 50, because just to show you guys, 4968, if we're rounding to the hundredths, we look at the digit right next to the 6, and then 49 would become 50. Okay, so that's our answer, 1146.50. Don't forget to put your units is feet, and for area, we're always going to put a square right there. Got it? All right, thank you, everyone.